How to use the KIRRK mobile app to immediately retrieve your car. Once you've created your account on KIRRK, you will need to upload your documents to complete your account. Gather your ID or passport, driver's license, and credit card. Make sure to capture your documents properly. The text has to be readable and cover the whole driver's license. This is important for the validation process. Once you are done uploading your documents, the KIRRK team will proceed to verify your account. Exit the airport and walk towards the parking lot. No need to pass by the agency. Use the KIRRK app to find your vehicle. Once you are next to your vehicle, proceed to check it for damages. You also have the option to add more pictures if you want. Validate the state of your rental car to continue. You can now proceed to open the trunk of your car to find the keys. Find your keys inside the purple bag. You're ready to start your journey. After your journey is complete, park your vehicle anywhere in the KIRRK parking lot. Take out all your belongings and close the vehicle with the key. Follow the app instructions and open the trunk with your smartphone. Leave the purple bag inside the trunk with the car's key inside of it. Close the trunk. You have finished your rental successfully. To learn more about KIRRK, you can visit kirrk.com. Make sure to follow KIRRK on social media too.